Hello everyone, welcome to NetTube. Today we are going to talk about how a young man can grow. You, as a young man, what can you do to grow? Number one, self reflection. Take time to understand your strength, weakness, and goals. Reflecting on your experience help guys personal growth. Keep it in mind. Number two, continuous learning. Invest in education, formal or self-taught. Read books, take course, or learn new skills. Knowledge open door to new opportunities. Keep it in mind. Number three, healthy habits. Build routines that include regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and enough rest. Physical health fuel mental and emotional growth. Capture that in your mind. Number four, build character. You gotta build a character. Practice discipline, patience, and resilience. Overcoming challenge, build character, and prepare for future obstacles. Keep that in mind. Capture it. Number five, surround yourself with positivity. Choose friends and mentors who inspire and support you. A positive environment fosters growth. Keep that in mind. By committing to self improvements and embracing life challenges, a young man can grow into a high full potentials. You can gain potential by following these five characteristics that a young man can follow, like you.